Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yuta Kuroto Aini. Here I want to tell about my segment of Systemic Functional Linguistic or SFL from my lecture Misigma Pravitasari. Dan di sini saya ingin menyampaikan summary of the material tentang video diskusi. Here I want to tell about summarizing about 5 summarizing. The first one is genre. Genre is described as a stage, goal-oriented social process. It refers to the type of text we produce to achieve particular communicative purpose. The example from narrative, recount, report, or exposition. Each genre has a typical structure and function. And the second, text of types. Text type are seen as pattern of discourse of rhetorical structures that can appear within different genre. The example, description, narration, argumentation, explanation. They describe how language is organized to fulfill communicative needs. The third, the relationship between genre and text type is emphasized. Genres as broader and socially recognized, while text type are smaller units of meaning, construction that can occur across multiple genres. And the fourth, the importance of teaching genres and text type in language education is highlighted because it helps learners understand not only grammar and vocabulary, but also how to use language effectively for real communication. And the last, the SFL approach support teachers in designing lessons that focus on both from language features and function. Purpose of the text, making students more capable of producing and analyzing various kinds of text. And I want to tell about 3 important case points. The first is genre as a social process. A genre is not only just about text structure, but about how people use language to achieve goals in specific social context. For example, recount. Genre is social context. For example, from recount, used to retell past experiences, while an exposition is used to argue for or against an idea. And the second difference between genre and text types, genre is broader, goal-oriented, and tied to social purpose, while the text types are smaller discourse structures like description, narration, and argumentation that can appear in many different genres. This distinction helps students see how text function beyond just surface forms. The third is pedagogical importance of SFL. Teaching genres and text type stroke of SFL approach helps learners not only master linguistics form but also understand the communicative function of text. This means students can adapt their language used for academic, professional, and everyday communication effectively. Dari ketiga 3 important case point, singkatnya atau kesimpulannya menurut saya materi ini menjelaskan bahwa genre dan jenis teks sangat penting untuk memahami bagaimana bahasa berfungsi di masyarakat. Guru dapat dan menerapkan SFL dalam pendidikan. Guru dapat memperdayakan siswa agar mampu menggunakan bahasa secara bermakna, bukan hanya secara benar. Maybe until here my summarizing. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.